white cockatoos. Go, Chaco! There you go! The show was officially started! A round of applause for Chaco with trainer Mark. Hello everybody and welcome to Manila Ocean Park All-Star Bird Show. With me, trainer our exciting bird, Daphne. Daphne is our super crested cockatoo. Scientific name is Kakatua galarica. Common inhabitants in open woodlands and forest areas along the east coast of Australia. They are very loud birds and can mimic almost any sound. They typically feed in seeds, nuts, fruits, such as durian, papaya, rambutan,